Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur.
And I am Ruchi Sharma. The week began with Bitcoin surging to $70,000 for the first time in 7 weeks, buoyed by Donald Trump's speech at the 2024 Bitcoin conference in Nashville. However, the asset couldn't maintain momentum and dropped to $66,000 by Wednesday.
So, Bitcoin traded relatively unchanged at the end of July following the Federal Open Market Committee's decision to keep interest rates in the 5.25% to 5.50% range. While traders are now focusing on the possibility of a rate cut in September, as hinted by Fed Chair Jerome Powell, contingent on strong economic growth.
Despite the launch of US-based spot Ether ETFs, Ethereum struggled, dropping 5.88%. The spot Ethereum ETFs have experienced volatile flows with Grayscale and BlackRock dominating the activity.
Also on August 1, outflows from the Grayscale Ethereum ETF exceeded $2 billion, resulting in a 22% decline in ETHE's assets under management, now just above $7 billion. So the ETH or BTC ratio also fell by 10.72% over July.
Among large-cap altcoins, Mantra and Helium were the top performers in July, posting gains of 44% and 36% respectively. Conversely, Phantom, Flare and Starknet each saw losses exceeding 30%.
So moving on to the next update, following the $230 million hack on WazirX, India's Bharat Web3 Association is increasing its focus on strengthening cybersecurity and improving consumer protection within the crypto industry. Well, the BWA, chaired by Dilip Shenoy, has formed 2 internal groups specifically to address these issues and investigate the recent security breach.
One group will focus on cybersecurity, comprising chief information security officers from member firms. This team will develop standard operating procedures and implement solutions designed to prevent future security breaches.
However, the second group will address consumer protection issues, ensuring that guidelines are up to date and user interests are safeguarded.
Moving on, the European Union's Artificial Intelligence Act officially got implemented on August 1st following its publication in the official journal of the European Union on July 12th.
The landmark legislation marks a significant step towards regulating the rapidly evolving landscape of AI within the EU.
Non-compliance with the AI Act can result in severe penalties such as fines of up to 35 million euros or 7% of the company's total worldwide annual turnover, depending on which figure is bigger.
So now let's move on to an update from Russia, which is on the verge of crypto adoption. According to a Bloomberg report, Russia will soon legalize the use of cryptocurrencies for payments, and this move is aimed at easing the growing difficulties faced by companies in making foreign payments due to US sanctions over the war in Ukraine.
Under the new legislation, cryptocurrencies will be regulated like foreign currencies. The regulations will likely benefit large exporters, creating a closed club that excludes small and medium-sized enterprises.
Moving on, it's that time of the year when many companies posted their Q2 revenues. There are some misses and some hits, so let's have a look.
United States listed Bitcoin miner Marathon Digital shares fell 8% after filing its second quarter earnings, which fell short of Wall Street expectations.
Also, Marathon reported revenue of $145.1 million in the second quarter, roughly 9% lower than the $157.9 million that analysts had anticipated, according to Yahoo Finance data.
MicroStrategy purchased an additional 12,222 bitcoins for $805 million in the second quarter of this year, bringing its total Bitcoin holdings to 226,500 BTC worth $14.7 billion at current prices.
Meanwhile, Bitcoin miner Riot Platforms missed estimates after posting its first quarterly loss since 2022, as the miners continue to feel the impact of April's halving event.
Riot posted a Q2 net loss of $84.4 million or $0.32 per share, double the $0.16 per share loss forecasted by investment research firm Zacks. It is the first time the firm has reported a quarterly loss since Q4 of 2022.
Whereas Coinbase shares rose 3.2% after hours following its latest Q2 results filing, reporting $1.4 billion in revenue in Q2, along with a hefty year-on-year increase in crypto trading volumes.
The crypto exchange reported $266 billion in consumer and institutional trading volumes, up from the prior year period and in line with analyst estimates. though it was a considerable drop from the $312 billion reported in Q1.
Moving on, Jack Dorsey's payment conglomerate Block Inc. has released its earnings results for the second quarter of 2024, posting a 9% growth in Bitcoin revenue year over year.
According to a shareholder letter, Block's Bitcoin revenue topped $2.61 billion over the period, with the total net revenue reaching $6.16 billion in the quarter, an 11% growth compared to the same period in 2023.
So that's all in this episode of the Weekly Wrap. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off.
And this is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. Do like, share and subscribe to 3 TV, and for more information stories, log on to website www.3verse.io or scan the QR code. Have a great weekend.